All right. Question number 5 says, which alkene is most stable So, these are CH3s. This would be a CH2, right? CH3. This would be, okay, this would be CH3, CH3. 1, 1, 2. Okay, so this would have an H coming down off of it. This one would have, right, an H and an H. This one would have an H and an H, right? This is CH2. That's all methyl groups. So the question is, which one is the most stable? And okay, so cis alkenes are less stable than trans alkenes. And then there's the stability chart, right? So a tetrasubstituted alkene R is the most stable, followed by tri-substituted which is then a di-substituted geminal, where the functional group R's are on the same carbon, followed by a trans di-substituted alkene where the R's are on opposite sides, followed by a cis substituted alkene where the R's are up here on the same side, followed by a monosubstituted alkene, followed by an unsubstituted alkene. So with all of this in mind, we look up at our problems, and let me just see what I wrote here. Right, so out of all of these, the most stable is a tetrasubstituted. This is the only one that's tetrasubstituted, right? This is di-substituted because it has 2 H's. So it's di-substituted, and it's geminal. It's a geminal di-substituted. So that's still less stable. This is a tri-substituted, a di-substituted, and then this is a di-substituted cis. This is di-substituted trans. So this is 1, right? That's the most stable. And then after that would come 2. This is second most stable because it's tri-substituted. Then would come 3, a geminal di-substituted. Then would come 4, a cis di-substituted, and then would come 5, a trans di-substituted, and then would come 5, a cis di-substituted.